Good afternoon. We are going to discuss a case study video based upon an student management. By using an OOPS concept in the Java programming, we are going to discuss an one by one with their own aspects towards a project.
Hello everyone, today I am going to explain about introduction. In this video, we are going to see about a simple concept in Java based on student management in Java. For example, this program helps school to store student information, student details and calculate their total marks. Let us see how we can implement in Java.
Hello everyone, I am going to explain about proper explanation in sports management and student records, and it can be difficult. So we create a simple Java program user. Each student has a name and standards and marks. The program calculates the total marks. Then it displays the student details to solve the reuse, class and objects in Java. Then we see concept explanation. First we create a class called students. This class contains variables as name, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3, and a method to calculate total, and another one is method to display details. Then in the main program, we create an object of the class, assign values, call methods to display outputs. This is called object-oriented programming. Thank you.
So now I will be explaining about the problem explanation. So we define a class student, class name student. Inside it, we declare the student details, such as like the method get total of add marks. The method displays of print the result. In the main method, we can create the object S1, assign name and marks, call display of. So this will show up the student name and total marks.
Then I talk about output explanation. After running the program, we get output like name Arun, total marks 245. This shows that our program successful. Store data, process it, display the result. Then real life application. This simple program can be extended in real life. For example, we can add more students using arrays, average calculation, grade system, A, B, C, database storage. This can become a complete school management system with more features.
And we have another point to learn. In a school, teachers need to maintain records of students such as student name, marks in different subjects and total marks. If you do this manually, it may lead to mistakes and difficulty in math. Marks in different subjects, total marks. If you do this manually, it may lead to mistakes and difficulty in managing multiple students. So we create a Java program where the program calculates the total marks, finally displays on the alternative neatly. To solve this problem, we use classes and objects, which are important concepts in Java. And then now let's understand the concepts. First, we create a class called student. And then a class is like a blueprint that defines properties and behaviors inside the class we declare. So they are various data members, name, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. The methods are functions, get total to calculate total marks, and in display to show student details. And then next in the main program, we get an object of the student class, assign values to the variables, call the methods to perform actions. This approach is called as object-oriented programming. Thank you.
So now let's go deep into the program step by step. So class creation. We define a class name student and a variable declaration. Inside the class, we declare string name, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. Method gets total of. This method adds all the 3 marks in results, the total. Method display of. This method prints student name, total marks and main method. Inside the main method, we create an object student S1, new student of assign values, S1 name equal to Arun, S1 mark 1 equal to 80 and S1 mark 2 equal to 85, S1 mark 3 equal to 80 and display S1, then we call S of display. This executes the program and show up the program.
Output explanation. After running the program, the output will be verified. Name Arun, total marks 245. This means the program successfully stored in student data. It calculated the total marks correctly. Displayed the result in a simple format.
Conclusion. The student management system helps us to understand how to class and objects in Java, how to perform calculation using mark methods, how to perform programming solves real world, and how to, this is a basic but powerful example in Java.
Okay,
Thank you.
we are having an student is in a class, and then attribute is an what are the information getting from the student side, that are all the information should be an attribute. What are the functionality the students you are doing, you are studying, moving here and there, like that all are the functionalities. So these are all the methods. This is the learning methodologies we are seeing here by using a case study. Thank you.